was in that great moment, that Matt felt a gigantic, oh shit, from the collective energies of those against him. Indeed, he pulsed back to nothingness with his own chakra, as the oh shit had simply pulsed of its own accord with no knowledge or awareness of their own figures, Matt thought, just when it looked interesting for a moment. Likely, for starters, probably calcification, the pineal gland blocking any such shit. Deliberate or intentional action. Just a fucking gut instinct. It wasn't really an oh shit, it was fear. Tammy, maybe be able to achieve something like this. Crystal, absolutely. If she would fucking study, fucking apply herself, and then fucking follow through on it and not whine about it and get somebody to try to do it for her. Not calling anybody's fucking initials there, but the rest of them, stop, Matt. We're gonna make ourselves pee. What the hell is wrong with you? And again, Sylvia? Yeah, right. I'd put money on Zeke achieving it before her. That's just fucking Thomas. I hope you hear this, buddy. You have a laugh at that. You'll get it. Didn't Matt surmise to himself rather wickedly? Sylvia, being the only one still stupid enough to not realize what was up, would, well, everybody else would probably most likely cover their own ass. Sylvia be damned is what Matt would think. I mean, you know, that's just what Matt would do, but God damn it, that wouldn't fucking make an awful lot of goddamn sense for somebody allegedly ain't got none. Oof.